I am Zein Kallas. I am a professor in Agriculture School of Engineering in Barcelona, and I am also a researcher in a CREDA Center. It's a research center for economy and agro-food development, and I'm involved in Novaterra in World Package 5, responsible for a human factor and socio-economic impact of innovation that has been developed in Novaterra. Our initial objectives were like threefold. The first one, we want to demonstrate that consumers are really interested in sustainable wine and olive oil, and they have like positive attitude and positive willingness to pay for this kind of product if they are produced from exploitation that are using innovation from Novaterra. Second objective was also important for this project, that to analyze if this innovation will be adopted by market level. We want to analyze what would be the sector reaction regarding this innovation. So what would be the rate of adoption of this innovation? What are the factors affecting sector to adopt this innovation? And how we can boost the sector to be more sustainable by reducing the pesticide use. And also we want to quantify the cost, economic cost, the private cost, and the private benefit of such innovation, because we knew from literature that the economic motivation of adopting sustainable innovation is very important to farmers. First of all, at the consumer side, we analyzed the consumers in France, in Spain, in Greece, in Italy, and in Portugal, and we clearly found that there is a positive willingness to pay, as we expect regarding the innovation in Novaterra. So consumers show their interest to consume wine and olive oil with less percentage of pesticide. And I would say that the percentage that are willing to pay more, it ranges between 0.5% until 2% for each 1% reduction of pesticides. So at farm level, if producers are able to reduce 1% of pesticide, this will be transformed to market level by a premium that consumers are willing to pay. From this one side, we consider that we demonstrate that innovation in Novaterra can be positively perceived at market level. From the adoption side, we analyze to any extent farmers and the sector is willing to adopt the innovation. So answers were highly heterogeneous. So there is a high rate of uncertainty regarding innovation. I would say like 40% they have no clear idea, or they decide to not adopt it, but the percentage of saying yes, we are interested in adopting range between 40% to 60%. And it is about 25% that we're sure they are interested in adopting this innovation. I'm very happy that this is the first time that we were able to create a model that has been translated to an internet tool that can predict the intention of adoption by answering an online questionnaire. So as a farmer, if you go to this link that we will provide and you answer like 18 statements, this statement represents different dimensions of adoption, I will know with some probability that the intention of this farmer to adopt is high, moderate, low, or not willing to adopt. We face big challenges to collect data from stakeholders and mainly farmers. We are aware that farmers are overwhelmed with so many questionnaires. There are so many tasks at the same time. They are already complaining from high level of bureaucracy. And we collect data in the moment that where agriculture and farmers were complaining in the streets regarding the pesticide reduction. So it was very critical to us to ask farmers, what are you able to adopt something to reduce? And they are complaining. They are very overwhelmed with tasks and we are asking them too much. But finally, with the help of our partner, we push again and again, and we got like 357 answers. Was a big challenge, but at the end we obtained the answer that we expected. In my opinion, if we want really that Novaterra and similar projects have impact on the product, on the primary sector, a producer, a farmer, it's very important to influence and to look to follow those farmers that accept to be experimental field to apply innovation. So what we think that demonstration site are very important. So farmer, if they can go and see exactly how the robot work, they may be convinced, they can be influenced. So the big challenge is to convince others to follow us. I was very happy working in Novaterra. I mean, I have like new networks. So we are preparing a new proposal in a new call. So it's something positive. From my side, I was very happy to receive invitation to new call. In fact, 2 partners from Novaterra already invite me in other calls. So I create new networks with new people, and this is very important. And I guess that we should continue looking for more projects like Novaterra.